I only just got my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hi guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I spent too much time debating on which color to get. Literally. Of course, the popular color was cosmic orange, but that was just like a no for me. I mean, I did think about it because it's such a popular color this year, so trendy, and it goes with a lot of nice phone cases. But I'm thinking after like a month, I'm just going to get tired of seeing the orange everywhere. So the next sort of option was silver. Now silver was kind of keeping it safe. I didn't want to go there, so I feel like the last one in the ranks was the deep blue. I decided to do a bit of contrasting with the colors, and I did go for a woven case. I also kept it simple with the storage, so for iPhone 17 Pro Max, the storage starts at 256 gigabytes. Did surprise me because on the box it just looked very plain. I still get the SIM ejector. We have the braided cable and the information pack. Looks slightly different to me because I am upgrading from iPhone 15 Pro Max. Very big screen, oh my gosh. 6.9 inches. Wow, it feels so smooth. The corners feel so smooth. On the other side is the lock button and the camera control. So the camera setup is called the camera plateau. I do like it because it does give the impression that the camera lens is smaller. And I was pretty bummed that we already switched from titanium to aluminium because that was just so quick, and I don't know, I just like the fact that it was like titanium, extra durable. With aluminium, it's like we're kind of going backwards, but it does feel nicer to hold. So the only thing I'm concerned about is the color, if it's gonna scrape off, especially because I got a deep blue. Ooh. Oh, I like the material. It's very cool. Yes. My overall first impressions of the iPhone 17 Pro Max are really positive, really good. I'm really happy that I went with this color. I'm just excited to see all the updates and the different changes within this phone because I did go from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I haven't had the chance to use the camera control yet, and also how fast this phone can go with the A19 with the cooling chamber. Let's see how different it is. Let's see if the battery is a bit better and lasts a lot longer with this new cooling chamber that they've designed. So of course a review is coming, probably a day in the life, because that's what I love to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.